Hello and welcome back to Total Crypto for another video, and in today's video we're going to be jumping into Egld, and guys, it looks like we're still yet to see a massive move coming in for this crypto. If you'd like to find out how high are we going to go, guess what guys, as always you need to stick around for the show, so why don't we get into the technical analysis. Hello guys and welcome back to Total Crypto for another video. Right, so if you want an ultimate guide on how you can spot trade any cryptocurrency charts in general, this can be applied for stocks and shares as well, but most notably it's so effective when it comes down to crypto. Reason being because you can make absolutely bank depending on which crypto you're going into, whether they're ultra low cap, mid cap, or whether the chart is looking anything like this. So with the technicals, firstly we've gone sideways for the longest. Now because we've been going sideways for the longest, we've actually broken up and it looks like we're just about staying above this area right over here or thereabouts. Now this is the area where we've been going sideways for the longest, so all we need to do now is quite literally, and we'll zoom in actually, this is the area which we need to break up from and not fall below this area right over here in that smaller, more narrower rectangle box. Now as you can see from a zoomed in chart that we had actually bounced up from it, so this would be a good call for making a move to the upside. Firstly, I'd like to say thank you to all the subscribers who actually pointed this cryptocurrency out for me, the Egld, because it looks like we've in fact broken a higher high from this one here, and we create like a new, at least for the short term, even higher high, which gives us a strong confidence that even if we do drop back down slightly, we should expect a move back up to the top and break up even higher. Now that would be a pretty big trade to be coming in, and reason why I say that is because if we all look to our left, we've broken out structurally from this area right over here, which leads to believe that if we continue in this move to the upside, guys, I'm sorry, I can't get rid of my croakiness from my throat. I don't know, I need to sort myself out, but that's just another story which I won't get into. Once we do break up from this area over here, then we should expect much higher returns for Egld, and that be at $203 for the crypto. So in terms of percentage, how much would we gain if we enter here? And with the expectation of us heading up to this region, that will give us approximately 249% move to the upside, maybe even 250 or plus if you like to measure up from the top of that wick. Now that would be a pretty decent gains to be had, because we've still got a lot more moves coming in for Egld. 249% move to the upside is basically 2.5 times your gains, and that is not too shabby if you ask me. Even if you look at the price, the current price is $61, and guys, I can see a lot more bigger moves coming in for the coin. In fact, it's all-time highs. Let's measure it from the top of the wick just for entertainment purposes. That's going to be at 544% move to the upside, and wow guys, that's going to be a pretty massive gains there to be had. So why don't we just measure it from our current price at around about $61, go up to our all-time high from the top of the wick. This is on a Binance exchange, and that will give us a 477% move to the upside. That is nearly 5 times your trade. So guys, that is pretty decent. So when it comes down to spot trading, what you want to do whenever you see any chart going sideways for the longest possible, something like this, even if you drop down slightly, the aim of the game is to always add more to your bags. So let's say for example the chart is right now here. If we see chart's been decimated, crashing all the way back down close to its recent all-time lows, then you want to be adding more to your bag as more as much as possible as we are falling down. Reason why, because once we do something like this and you're adding more to your bag along the way, and this is the accumulation phase, which means it is perfect time to accumulate a lot more of your crypto for as long as we go, sometimes for the longest, because eventually once we do see some upwards movements of your chosen crypto, let's say for example EGLD, like here for instance, had you accumulated right from here and you could continue on accumulating from there, and that would have been since January of 2022 till right about today, depending on how much free capital you have, at the end of each month when you get paid, or weekly, however way it is. Then that way, if you continue doing so from last year to this year, then you would accumulate quite a lot, and you would accumulate it even from the price where we hit down here at around about 27, 22, and now it's up 61. So you could imagine, guys, the accumulation phase is the best area to be accumulating a lot more of any cryptocurrency token, because once eventually we see a massive move coming in, going from here, the current price, to up there, or at least at the next level, that will give us an extremely nice return, like all the way from there. Just imagine it, had you been accumulating even anywhere along these bottoms here, let's say from here, and our price target is going to be up there, you will soon be up by 592%. And if you hold that till the very top of the all-time high, then you'll be in a lot more as opposed to being from up here. Let's say if you accumulate from there and you got like a huge bag of EGLD, then potentially once we do go up to our all-time high, that will give us 1,170% move to the upside. So that's already 11 times your trade. Wow, yeah guys, this is absolutely crazy. But we are not done there, because ultimately in this insane bull season about to kickstart or come in, we're going to be expecting a lot more moves for the crypto space. So I'm going to pull out, like I do in every video, I'm going to pull out the Fibonacci retracement tool, and if we measure it down all the way down to the bottom, and then if we zoom out a little, we can see exactly where the Fibonacci retracement ends from the top, to give us an idea how much could we expect of EGLD for the bull season. And that would be an approximately $2,196 per EGLD. And guys, that's going to be an insane move to the top, because even if you only had $100 and we got in from the current price, or around about the current price, and we go to the very top of the Fibonacci retracement tool, that will give us approximately 3,650% move to the upside. Wow, that is a humongous move to the upside, which will mean it will give you, if you put $100, what's that, 36 times your gains? So that means be 300, so 3,600, 3,700 move to the upside. Yeah guys, that's going to be absolutely insane. So just for $100, it will give you, if we reach that 3,700% move to the upside, it will give you 3,700. What if you put in $1,000? That would be the most easiest, massive trade of $37,000. So yes guys, that is the power of the Fibonacci retracement tool. It gives you whereabouts we could be heading, especially the bull season coming up. I can see a lot more moving, I can see a lot more moves coming in for a lot of these cryptocurrency coins. But the question is, which coins are you holding? Which coins are you trading? And are you bullish on the EGLD? If so, leave that all in the comments, guys. So that's it for EGLD video. I hope you enjoy and found it useful and informative. And if you like my channel, please subscribe to me over here. If you'd like to see my last video, click over here, and I'll see you all in the next one.